Welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got an 18 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter with a bad transmission. Would not shift out of first. Had codes for all kinds of stuff inside of it. Just got it out. And then we come over here and take a look. There's your fucking trans cooler lines and all that. Flywheel, back of the engine, one side of the exhaust. And then you come back here, you got your transfer case for the all-wheel drive. Small shaft, there's the front drive shaft, long is the rear. There's the cross member and tranny mount, there's the muffler. There's the AC compressor and the starter, the front the driver's side Cadillac converter, manifold, shields and whatnot. Then you got all the plastics and shit that came off of the motor. This was a big job. Was not a fun one. For those of you that want a Jeep Grand Cherokee, I wouldn't. Between the engines and these trannies, definitely wouldn't. Alright, thanks for watching.